SHOT Show 2023. Bergara booth. This is the all-new Bergara B14 Ridge Wilderness carbon model. MSRP on this is $14.99. This is all new from them. Carbon barrel. It's a lot lighter than any Ridge rifle if you're familiar with that series. Usually these rifles run around between 8 to 9 pounds. With this carbon barrel on here, you're looking at 7 pounds. So lightweight rifle. Bergara, well known for their accuracy. I've shot tons of their rifles, always have good luck with them. Today we'll strip some rounds down range with this setup on here. You have a loophole EX5 and a can on it. I think this rifle will be a hit for the market. At that price point, you're looking at something with a street price close to $1,200 to $1,300, which most people can't touch that with a carbon fiber barrel. So this thing is going to be a hit for hunters on the open market. We're going to take this Wilderness Ridge carbon and 6.5 creedmoor out to 500 yards.
It's not moving much.
That must be why. Because I'm holding probably a good 4 or 5 MOA off it.
I haven't heard yet what the wind loads are, but yeah.
It's got to be that, because that's what I'm holding it. It hit. I saw that impact, so.
I thought I saw the ram moving.
Yeah, because I was shooting that GOG. As with anything Bergara related, you're getting high quality, high-end products at a price point that the average person can afford. Accuracy, really anything you need in a hunting rifle, in particular with this, you're going to get it, and it's not going to break the bank. Awesome rifles. Glad we could check them out here at SHOT Show 2023.